single-strand RNA viruses. In the negative sense, there is arena, which includes Lassa, and Banya includes haptavirus, Delta, hepatitis D, Philo includes Ebola and Marburg. Orthomyxovirus includes influenza, Paromyxo includes RSV, mumps and measles, Rhabdo has rabies, and in positive sense it includes Kalia virus, it includes norovirus, Corona includes SARS, PLAB includes West Nile, hepatitis C, dengue and yellow fever, and Hepi includes hepatitis E virus, Picorna includes hepatitis A enterovirus, and Retro includes HIV, and Togo rubella.